morning class 6. So today we will start this video with our topic circles. Okay, in that topic we will read about interior and exterior of a circle. What is interior and what is exterior of a circle? So here, if there is a circle like this and this is point P which is inside, which lies inside of this circle, then this point P will be known as interior of the circle, and there is a point Q which is outside of the circle, that will be known as exterior of the circle. But there is one more thing. If there is a point such a way that it is less than this length OT. Suppose there is a length OT. There are 2 points, which is this is center and this T is on this T point is on the circle. Okay. So if there is a point P such that OP is less than OT. Length of OP is less than OT. OT is greater than OP. Then this point P, then that means this point P lies inside of the circle, and that means this point P is interior point of the circle. Okay. अगर कोई पॉइंट ऐसा है पॉइंट P जो कि यहाँ पर है और एक पॉइंट T जो कि सर्कल के ऊपर है, तो वो सेंटर से अगर वो पॉइंट OT की जो लेंथ है वो आपकी OP की लेंथ से ग्रेटर हो जाती है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि जो आपका ये जो पॉइंट P है वो इंटीरियर पॉइंट है. इट मीन्स दैट पॉइंट P इज point P is interior point, and the collection of all the interior points of a circle, the collection of, if there are many points on the circle, so the collection of all the interior points of the circle will be known as interior of the circle. Okay, and there is a point Q outside of the circle such a way the length of that OQ, जो सेंटर सर्च Q की जो लेंथ है वो OT से ग्रेटर है. OQ is greater than OT. Okay, that means this point Q lies outside of the circle. Okay, it means that point Q is exterior point. Q क्या है? एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट है. और ऐसे ही कई सारे एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट्स होंगे जो कि हमें दिख नहीं रहे हैं या जो दिख भी रहे हैं, तो उन एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट्स का कलेक्शन क्या हो जाता है? उन एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट्स का कलेक्शन हो जाता है आपका एक्सटीरियर ऑफ द circle. So now you understood what is exterior and interior of the circle. The points which are inside of the circle is known as interior point of the circle, and the points which are outside of the circle, that is known as exterior point of the circle. Okay. Now the next topic is construction of circle, but that I will tell you when we will solve our exercise problem. Means before question I will explain you the topic and then we will solve the problem. Before now we will start our exercise. Okay, when the problem of construction of circle will come, then I will explain you what is construction of circle. Okay, I am not leaving it, but I will explain you when we will solve the problem. Now, to do this work, the work of circle, I have told earlier also that you will do this work in your geometry copy. Okay, you must be aware about geometry copy that it has line on one side and it is blank on other side. So on the left side the page is blank and on the right side the page has some lines. So that is your geometry copy. So you will do this work in your geometry copy. Okay, so now exercise 7. In exercise 7, the very first question is, P is a point on a circle of radius 4.8 centimeter. There is a circle. Okay, so this is a circle and it has some point P. It is given that P is a point on a circle of radius 4.8 centimeters. So that means there is a fixed point, and the distance between this fixed point and P is 4.8 centimeter. This is center and this is fixed point, and the radius is of 4.8 centimeter. Now, if O is the center of the radius, that means this fixed point, the name of this fixed point is O. We call it center of the circle. Then what will be the length of the segment OB? We can see that the length of the line segment is 4.8 centimeter. Okay. So here we can write length. You will say, ma'am, this is radius. Why we are calling it line segment? We are calling it line segment because its length is fixed. It is not moving now. This point O is not moving here and this is not moving there. It is fixed. So that's why it is a line segment. Okay. So length of line segment, or you can say radius OP, is equals to 4.8 centimeter. Okay. Now next is question number 2. C is the center of the circle. Okay, now again I have to draw figures, so I am going to rub this. You will draw it on the left side of the page. Now, so here it is given C is the center of the circle. There is a circle in which C is the center. Okay. C is the center of a circle of radius 5.6 centimeter, and the radius means the point. Suppose there is a point on the circle, then the distance between this point and the C is 5.6 centimeter. It is given in the question. A and B are 2 points on the circle such that A, B, C are collinear. The meaning of collinear means lie in the same line. If it is given the 3 points A, B and C are collinear, that means these 3 points lie in a same line. Okay. So here it is given that A, B, C are 3 points such that these 3 points lie in the same line. A and B are 2 points on the circle. A और B क्या है? सर्कल के ऊपर 2 पॉइंट्स है. सर्कल के ऊपर 2 पॉइंट्स. सपोज अगर A ये पॉइंट है तो B एक पॉइंट होगा जो एक ही इसी लाइन में लाई करेगा. इस लाइन से अलग नहीं होगा वो. ठीक है. और वो सर्कल के ऊपर लाई करेगा. So like this, there are 3 points A, B, C which lie on the same line, which are collinear. Find the distance between AB. Now you have to find out the distance between A and B. So if the distance between C and A is 5.6 centimeters, so what will be the distance between A and B? That will be equals to 2 multiplied by 5.6 centimeter. Okay. So here we can write. Why we are multiplying 2 with 5.6? Because this BA act as a diameter of the circle. ना जो BA है वो double of radius है. This BA is double of radius. So double of radius is equals to diameter of the circle. So here we can mention that radius of the circle or CA is equals to 5.6 centimeter. Okay. So diameter of the circle or AB is equals to diameter is equals to double of radius. So double of CA, that is equals to double of 5.6 centimeter. 6 2 12, 6 5 2 5 10, 11, 11.2 centimeter. I have put decimal over here because here only one place decimal was there, so we will put the decimal in the one place. Okay. So this is your solution number 2. Now next is question number 3. Fill in the blanks with reference to the figure of the circle with the center at O. Okay. Now this question number 3rd, 4th, 5th is a fill in the blanks question. So you will not do that work in your fair copy. Okay. Question number 3rd, 4th, 5th will remain in book. I am telling again. Question number 3rd, 4th, 5th of exercise 7 will remain in book. we will not do that work in your fair copy because it is a fill in the blanks work. So why to do it in our fair copy, right? So question number 3 is there is a figure given. A circle is there like this. This is a center. O L M Q P. And this is R, A and B. Okay, so this is the figure. Now what is saying in the question number 3rd, first part. This AB which is given over here is an arc. AB क्या है? यहाँ पे एक आर्क है. आर्क मैंने बताया तुम्हें क्या होता है? सर्कल का एक पार्ट होता है. दो पॉइंट्स के बीच में जो सर्कल का एक पार्ट होता है उसी को ही हम आर्क बोलते हैं. ठीक है. So now next, the very first is the line segment PQ. This line segment PQ is it is a chord. It is only talking about line segment. ये इस पूरे एरिया की बात नहीं कर रहा, खाली PQ जो लाइन सेगमेंट है उसकी बात हो रही है. That is a chord. So it is chord. Second part, the portion AB of the circle is. This portion AB is an arc. Number 3rd, the shaded portion of the circular region bounded by the line segment PQ. This line, the shaded portion है, इसे क्या कहते हैं? This shaded portion is known as the segment of the circle. So we will write there segment. Next, fourth part, the length of the line segment OM. The length of line segment OM is equal to this line segment. This is a point, this is center, and this M is a point on the circle. So that means the length will be equal to the radius of the circle. So this is equal to radius. Next is fifth part, and this is the same. The shaded portion OLM of the circular region is OLM. This shaded portion is known as what it is known as. We know that if the region between an arc and two radii is known as sector of the circle. दो रेडियस और एक आर्क के बीच का जो रीजन होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सेक्टर बोलते हैं. So that is a sector. Okay. So our fill in the blanks is completed. Now next is question number 4. Question number 4 also we will do in book. We will not do that in our clear copy. PQ, CD. Okay. Now it is given that these are the points. Now what is asking? O is the center of the circle. O क्या है? Center है. ठीक है. Fill in the blanks with reference to the figure. Now we have to fill in the blanks with reference to a figure. Okay. So first is the line segment AB is called. This line segment AB is called. As we can see that it is the largest chord of the circle. Now, if this is a circle, then AB will be the largest chord of the circle, are aware that the largest chord is known as the diameter of the circle. OB is the radius of the circle. Double of OB means OB plus OA will be known as the diameter of the circle. So we have to write diameter. For second part, the arc AB of the circle is arc AB, this arc AB of the circle is, from downward also you can write it, but this arc AB is known as the semicircle of the circle. So here you can write semicircle. Next is this third part, saying that the line CD is called. This line CD, I have told you that there is a line which touches 2 points of a circle. I am not talking about line segment. The line segment which touches 2 points will be known as chord. But this is a line which means that it doesn't have fixed length. It goes up to infinite. So this line CD which touches 2 points of a circle is known as the secant of the circle. Next is fourth part. The line PQ is this line PQ which touches only 1 point of the circle, that is known as the tangent of the circle. Okay. Now next is question number 5. Question number 5 again we will do only in our book. We will not do that question in our fair copy. This is center O, point A, point B, which is on the circle, and there is point C which is outside of the circle. So what is said in the question? Question number 5, fourth part is, the point A is and dash point of the circle. Okay, we can see that this point A is inside of the circle plus length of OA is smaller than OB. Okay, OA is this much and OB is this much. So this point A is interior of the circle. So it will be interior. Next is its second part. The point dash is a point on the circle. This point dash is a point on the circle. It is talking about on the circle. Circle के ऊपर. तो सर्कल, ये सर्कल का ऊपर नहीं है, ये सर्कल के रीजन के अंदर एक तरह से हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सर्कल के ऊपर क्या हो जाएगा? पॉइंट बी. जैसे कि आप एक एम्प्टी सा कोई एक वो है, नहीं होता है एम्प्टी सा कोई एक जमीन रखी हुई कोई एक ऐसे है फील्ड है. ओके, उसके किनारे किनारे बाउंड्री कर दो. ठीक है, तो उस फील्ड के रीजन के अंदर की बात नहीं, फील्ड के रीजन के जो बाउंड्री है उसके ऊपर पूछे कौन सा पॉइंट होगा. सिमिलरली ये एक जो बाउंड्री है, बाउंड्री के ऊपर पूछ रहा कौन सा पॉइंट है. ओके, नाउ द पॉइंट सी इज एंड डैश पॉइंट ऑफ द सर्कल. जो पॉइंट सी है वो कौन सा पॉइंट है? वी कैन सी दैट दिस पॉइंट सी इज आउटसाइड ऑफ दिस रीजन एंड लेंथ ऑफ दिस इज ग्रेटर देन this is greater than this OB. So obviously point C is exterior point. Okay, so next is construction of circle. The next question is based on the construction of circle, that I will tell you in the next video. I will also explain you that how you can construct a circle with the help of pencil and compass. Be ready with your pencil and compass and we will learn about how we can construct a circle. Okay, so thank you class.